What is here, man? So many players. I can't see the trainer. What is the goddamn trainer? Why there are so many people? What are you? Engineering trainer. This small. Can you be an engineering trainer? Can I see your degree? Man. Okay, he is the Grandmaster, engineering trainer, profession trainer. Yeah, he has everything you need. This lady, the same small, don't like them. I don't like small people. And what are you here? Oh, you are selling, let me repair your items. Can you put a good shirt on you? Okay, with them you can, what are you, apprentice here in Dalaran? However, from this guy you can find also supplies if you want to become an engineer, or if you need to upgrade your profession from the Grandmaster. Yes, you can do it. We are playing World of Warcraft, Wrath of the Lich King. It's a Warcraft classic. Let me show you on the map where you can find this guy in Dalaran City, Northrend Crystal Song, and in Dalaran at the Magnus Commerce Exchange. The third purple building is the location right inside. Here you can find those spinning gears out there. You can't miss this building. And if you also can find this many players, oh man, please just tell me.
Don't forget to smash the like button.